In this tutorial, I'll show you how to always display the BCC field in Outlook, so you don't have to enable it every time you compose a new email. Open Outlook and click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Select Mail, then choose Compose and Reply. Scroll down until you find the Message Format section. Look for the option Always Show BCC and turn it on. If you're using the classic Outlook desktop app, click New Email, go to the Options tab and click BCC. Once enabled, the BCC field will remain visible whenever you compose a new message. After making your changes, click Save if you're using Outlook on the web. Now, every time you create a new email, the BCC field will already be available, making it easy to send emails privately without showing recipients each other's email addresses. That's how to add BCC in Outlook permanently. Thanks for watching.